Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we are talking about area and perimeter of rectangle. Just I will make you remember the two rules about perimeter and area of rectangle. Then if you want to talk about area of rectangle, you must tell me what is the rule about that. Then area, this is area of rectangle. You can put it in short expression like L multiplied by W. Then what is L? What is W? No, what is W? It's width. Then L is length, W is width. Okay? This is about this rectangle. The long line we can name it length, the short line we can name it width. Some books name it, you must know this because in the new assignment you will get another word, it's a breadth. Okay? Then sometimes we name it width or breadth. Okay? Because in the assignment, some books name it breadth. It is the same. And they will put the letter B instead of W. Then take care. Then about this rectangle, the first one, if we have L equals 9 centimeters and width equals 5 centimeters, then let's see, if you want to get its area, how? If you want to get its perimeter, how? And second, if we write perimeter, this is about perimeter of rectangle. Equals, I told you yesterday, what is the perimeter of rectangle? Yes. Or if you have the names of L, W, L, W, then how many L? How many L? 2L, very good. Plus, how many W? 2, good. It's 2W. Then you can make your perimeter like this, 2L plus 2W. Then don't forget those two rules. I'll put them inside. This figure to remember them. And this one. Then we can use the two rules to calculate the area and the perimeter for this example. Then about this example, this is about rectangle one. Just we can take this figure down. Then here, can we take it? Yes, thank you. Make it here. Yes, about area of rectangle. We have the rule. You can write the rule many times to keep it in your mind. It will be L multiplied by W. If you substitute, what is L? How many centimeters? 9. Multiplied by W. What is W? How many centimeters? 5. Then it will be 9 multiplied 5. What 9 multiplied 5? 45. 45 what? Centimeter. Square, very good. Centimeter square, then take care. Second, we need to calculate perimeter. Just we can put P instead of perimeter, put A instead of area. Then perimeter of rectangle. I told you just put your rule every time to keep it in your mind. It will be 2L plus 2W. Then 2L, just substitute instead of L, you will put what? 9. Instead of W, you will put what? 5. Then it will be 2 times what? 9 plus 2 times what? 5. Then if you calculate it, 2 times 9, 18 plus 2 times 5, 10. If you add them, it will be 28 what? Centimeter. There is no square in the perimeter. Or another method, or by another way, you can add 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus, it will be the same answer. Okay? Let's do it for the second figure. Just we can take one line like this to make it separate. And do this here. Let's put its measures. Here it will be 3.5 centimeters. Here is it to be 5.5. Now, about question 2, area of rectangle. What about the rule? Is Malak? L multiply by, then what? Multiply what? Raise your voice. There is no 7 here. Where is 7? What 3.5? It's length or width? Length must be long. Then 5.5 multiplied by 3.5. Then how can we get the answer? You must multiply 55 by 35. Then 55 multiplied by what? 35. Then 5 multiply 5, 25. 5 carry up 2. Then again 5 multiply 5, 25. And we have 2, it will be 20. Then 27. Then put 0. And multiply 5 multiply 3, 5 carry up 1. And cancel 2. Then 3 multiply 5, 15 and 1, 16. Then now adding them, it will be what? 5, 2 carry up 1. Then it will be 9, bring down 1. Then our answer will be 1925, but we have point. There is point after one digit, point after one digit. After multiplication, it will be after how many digits? 2 digits. What is the statement? 19.25 what? Area. Take care, please. What about perimeter? Perimeter is so easy. Perimeter of rectangle. Then let's see how. 2L plus 2W equals 2 times what? 5.5 plus 2 multiply what? 3.5. Then 2 multiply 5.5. And from the first, 2 multiply 5.5. Double of 5.5. No. Plus 2 multiply 3.5. Double of 3.5. Seven. What is the last answer? 18. Then it's not 20. Huh? Then what is the 18 statement? Centimeter or centimeter square? Centimeter. Now we will talk about another example. We have this example. Find the area and the perimeter of the shape to the left. Okay. It's not completely rectangle. It's like a rectangle, but we cut this part from it. Okay. Then, if you want to get the perimeter first, it's not like a normal rectangle. It's a rectangle, but cut some from it, a part from it. Then perimeter. We said that imagine that you are here starting from this point and you are walking on the blue line. Then it will be 5. Then plus 6. Then if you complete your road, it will be plus 11. And plus 3. Then now, if you want to complete your trip, what about this line? How can we get it? 11 minus 5. It will be what? 6. Then plus 6. What about this line? How can we get it? 6 minus 3. Then it will be what? 3. Now we complete our trip to return to the starting point. Then what is the total? It will be what? 34, correct? Check it, it's correct. Okay, 34 centimeters. Now about the area, you must make a plan for it. About the area, you must divide your shape into 2 shapes because it's a compound. This is compound shape. This is compound. It's not one shape. Like what? We can divide it using discrete line like that. It will be like that. You see? Then we have here 2 shapes. We can name them. Here is shape 1 and we have shape 2. Okay. Then about shape 1, it's like a rectangle. We have L and W. Then it will be area of shape 1 plus area of shape 2. Shape 1 like rectangle, we have L and W. Then for both, it will be L multiplied by W. L multiplied by W, L multiplied by W. What about shape 1? What multiply what? 6 multiply 5 or 5 multiply 6, correct? Then it will be 6 multiplied by 5 plus, what about the second shape? Zainab? Zainab? What multiply what? Ask it, Zainab. 3 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 3. Now it's easy, understand now? If you want to cover this shape to get your area, you divide it into 2 shapes because it's a compound shape. Then 6 multiplied 5, 30 plus, and 6 multiplied 3. What is the last result? 48 what, Adam? 48 what? Centimeter, correct? Centimeter squared. It's area. Then area must be in centimeter squared, okay? Now we imagine one girl standing here and starting from this point to calculate our perimeter. Then our perimeter equals, yes, Sam, what is the first line? What is the first line if you walk from here? 2, then plus 2. What about this line?
5.
How? 5, very good. How? It will be what? Totally 10, mashallah, very good. 10 minus 2 minus 3, then it will be what? 5 centimeters, mashallah, smart, smart. Then it will be plus what? 5. Complete, Sam, yes, complete your trip. Then 5 plus what is this? 2, very good, mashallah, Sam. Plus 2 is Sam plus 3. Then plus 10. What about this line? Very good, mashallah. What is the total? What is the total? Yes? Correct?
Yes.
Very good. 36 what? Let's do area quickly. Then what about area? We can divide it into how many shapes? 3 or 2?
2.
Let's check. Let's check. We can make it like this with this which color? With red. It will be like this. We can do it like this. Correct? And make it good. Here is one shape we have here, and there is another shape. Correct? It will be easy like this. Let's check. What about this rectangle? Here is shape 1. Here is rectangle 2. Here is rectangle 3. 3, it's clear. 6 multiply what? 3. What about this one? 6 multiply 2. What about this one? Here is 6. 5. 5 multiply what? Very good. Here is 6 minus what? Minus 2. Then it will be what? 4. Then let's do it. It's area of shape 1 plus area of shape 2 plus area of shape 3. Any one of them like rectangle, it will be L multiply W. Any one of them. Then, what about shape 1? 6 multiply what? 2. Plus, what about shape 2? 4 multiply 5 or 5 multiply 4? Last, then 6 multiply 3 or 3 multiply 6? Then 6 multiply 2? 12. Plus 5 multiply 4? Last 6 multiply 3? What is the total? What is the total?
40.
Yes, 50. Very good. Okay, it's 32 here plus 18, it will be 50. 50 what? Thank you so much. Thank you for good listening.